With the Google Pixel 3 just less than a week away from coming out, and this kind of being the season for people to decide whether or not they should upgrade their smartphone, I thought it was actually fitting to bring the Google Pixel 2 into the conversation. So there's two types of owners out there right now. There are people who currently own the Google Pixel 2 and just need some type of validation and to be told that they don't need to upgrade their phone this year. And then there's a whole other group of people willing to line up and upgrade their phone this year, but they just can't decide what one to go for. I'm gonna answer both questions in this video, but let's go ahead and let's dive into the review of the Google Pixel 2. So there is a lot to love about the Google Pixel 2, and the first thing is its camera. There's no contest that it had the best camera of the year through 2017 on to the end of 2018. To me, in my eyes, in many people's eyes, it just had the capability of shooting the most consistent, eye-catching photos out of any camera on the market today. For example, anytime that I've used portrait mode in person and shown it to my friends, they would be blown away by the amount of detail, color accuracy, dynamic range, and the incredible bokeh effect that is created with the Google Pixel 2 camera. Wow, that's crazy. Look at the bokeh effect around the edges there. All right, so this is a front-facing video test of the Google Pixel 2 just walking, testing out the stabilization. From my eyes, this looks pretty good in my opinion. This is a rear camera test shooting in 4K on the Google Pixel 2. I'll even flip the camera around and kind of just walk with the camera a bit so you can kind of get a better feel. And outside of this great camera, you're getting a software experience that you can easily fall in love with. You will get the pure stock Android experience on this phone without any of the bloatware that comes with other phones from other manufacturers like a Samsung or a Huawei. And it's packed inside, obviously, with a Google Assistant, probably the smartest AI on the market today.
Currently in Guelph, it's 6 degrees and partly cloudy.
And also with the Pixel 2, you get some of the latest updates that are even coming to the Pixel 3, such as screen calling, which allows you to transcribe calls live on your phone locally, as well as having that new night shot mode, basically allowing you to take improved pictures at night without the use of flash. Then you can couple this software experience with very solid battery life. You can expect your phone to last the entire day off a single charge. Give you some numbers, you can start your day at 100% at the beginning of the morning. You can expect your phone to be at around 20-30% before you plug it in to go to sleep for the night. So enough about that, let's go ahead and talk about the design of this phone. There's a quote by Steve Jobs, and he once said that design is not just what it looks like and feels like, design is how it works. So from a software experience perspective, this phone is a masterpiece. It is just one of those phones that you have to try to fully understand the power of Google Assistant, the power of the Android experience that you get, and how everything working together in this ecosystem gives you a software experience that is not matched, in my opinion, by a lot of other smartphones out on the market today. But as much as I love how the Google Pixel 2 works, Steve Jobs did say that design does include how something feels and what it looks like. I'm just not a fan of the Google Pixel 2 exterior design. I don't like how the Google Pixel 2 is an all aluminum based design. It could have really benefited from being an all glass body to have wireless charging. There's no headphone jack. Also, when you look at this phone from the front, I think it's a little bit of a mess. It has really big bezels, so if somebody walked through the store, the Google Pixel 2 would stand out for all the wrong reasons for a consumer. The actual display panel on the Google Pixel 2 is subpar at best. There are a lot of other phones who offer superior displays over the Pixel 2. Most notably, there is some blue shift effect that's kind of plaguing these devices as well. Though those are some very questionable design choices by Google, I do want to give them some props in other areas. I really do welcome the front-firing stereo speakers on top of the Google Pixel 2. I also welcome back the addition of the Fingerprint Reader at the very top middle, which is probably the most convenient location to have one. So although there have been some questionable design decisions regarding the Google Pixel 2, there is a whole lot to love about this phone. And at the beginning of this video, I set out to answer two questions. If you're a current Google Pixel 2 owner, is it worth upgrading your phone to the Google Pixel 3? The short answer is maybe. If you have the money, it is a universally accepted opinion that the Google Pixel 3 fixes a lot of the shortcomings that have came with the Google Pixel 2, but also have taken a lot of what was good about the Google Pixel 2 and just made it even better. If you're somebody that does not have the money, I just wouldn't really recommend the upgrade. The Google Pixel 2 is an amazing phone with a lot of life left in it, and it's still going to receive tremendous support from Google, as they've proven by bringing a lot of the features coming to Pixel 3. They're also going to be throwing that to the the Google Pixel 2 as well. What about for everybody else who is dying to figure out what phone to buy this year? For the extra $150, like I said, the Google Pixel 3 fixes a lot of what was bad about the Pixel 2 and takes a lot of what was great about it and made it even better. At the end of the day, this is a very unique decision for each individual, and you just have to figure out where your priorities lie. And I hope this video kind of gave you some perspective on which phone is right for you. I am going to be getting the Google Pixel 3 coming November 1st, so please do subscribe if you're brand new to my channel and expect a Google Pixel 3 review from me in the future. I have reviewed the Pixel 1 as well, so I'll put a little link up there for you to click if you want to go ahead and watch my Google Pixel 1 review. Make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video, but I'll catch all of you guys in the next one. Peace.